Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kimai Reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing today? So guys, I'm back again to reacting to another reaction video. Well, not a reaction video. Another live performance from the group RBD. And I'm gonna pronounce it right. I think it's Un Poco de Tu Amor. Live in Rio. Someone sent it to me and I was like, please don't be blocked by YouTube. Please don't be blocked by YouTube. Because I reacted to some videos last week and they all got blocked as well. I know what to say. So hopefully they won't block this time. Hopefully they won't. Christopher. Every time I see Christopher, I think about college.
De verdad, está muy agradecido de estar con todos ustedes. Y queremos decirles que siempre van a estar aquí, en nuestro corazón. ¡Gracias, Río! La siguiente canción quiero que se la dediquen a alguien que quieran mucho, que amen. Esto es Un Poco de Tu Amor.
Eu ver que sou amigo a mais entre 1.000.000 e nada mais provável.
I love the blonde hair on him.
Que não te para de sonhar cada dia mais.
Necesito de ti como el aire, nadie te puede querer tanto así. Un poco de tu amor para poder vivir. Un poco de tu amor.
Pregnant.
Solo un poco de tu amor.
Alfonso. Okay. Somebody choreo. Her body stay fit.
Venga, Río, ustedes canten. Venga.
Come on, what it break down. Boom, boom. Yes, yes. Okay. Oh, I can't wait till this coronavirus is over. I really want to go to a concert now.
me puede hacer feliz. Solo un poco de tu amor es lo que pido. Más fuerte para poder vivir. Me puede hacer feliz. Solo un poco de tu amor es lo que pido.
Oh, I love her right here. First of all, that drummer deserves a raise. That was good. I like the ending. I like that ending. Go. First of all, that drummer deserves a raise. Oh god, that was good. That was RBD performing live in Rio, Un Poco de Tu Amor. So thanks for everyone who recommended and reacted to this. I really do like this group. As I said before, I believe the group is coming back, except one of the members, well, two of the members, and I hopefully they can give their fan that nostalgic feeling of seeing all of them together. For everybody else, whatever you guys want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to you as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.